Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business testimonial image using Super Zoom in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load the testimonial photo. I pause because testimonials rely on trust. I convert the image to Smart Object. I open Camera Raw Filter and apply Super Zoom softly. I reduce noise and soften skin details. I zoom into eyes and expressions. I slightly reduce zoom to keep authenticity. Business testimonials must feel honest. I add a light vignette. I mask the background gently. I zoom